Yo, what's going on, everybody? I am JB, and I'm back with yet another update with just one of these dreadlocks. Um, in one of my videos dealing with the sea salt water spray, I dealt with one of these locks that I had started off by twisting. The only one of my locks that's in my head that I did not crochet. It started off as a tuft of hair, just some loose tuft of hair that I missed when I was crocheting, and that was it. I didn't crochet it. I just twisted it. That's doing how I first started out using the sea salt water spray, and I noticed it was starting to lock, and I just let it be. At some points it tried to congo with the nearby locks by it, but then I separated them and so on and so forth. And yeah, I just want to show you 5 months since then. 5 months of freeforming this lock. Twisted it. After that, just freeforming it, just let it do its thing after it locked. And here we are. I mean, yo, look at that. Now what you see here is another tuft of hair that I know kind of grew out since I was freeforming. I'm gonna twist around it to make just to make it a little more thicker. But let me separate that one from it. But yeah, just by itself, look at that. Now, when I first did this, you couldn't even see, like, all this. You could see through it. You see, like, that's my thumb. That's the root. Now that's still a fairly thin lock. It's not like it's thick, but it's thicker than it was, man, and it's stronger than it was. Like before, when I first started twisting this, like you'll be able to see all my thumb under that. But it just goes to show that freeforming makes your roots thicker. Like I said, this hasn't been twisted. I didn't crochet this. I mean, it was twisted in the beginning, but I haven't kept twisting. I've just been separating it. So this cylindricalness that it has, if that's even a word, the cylindricalness, that's all from freeforming and separating. That's it. That's it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, man. Like, wow. Just noticed it today. I did a before and after picture. I posted in a thumbnail for this video. But yeah, I mean, it's grown out. You know, 5 months of freeforming, thicker locks. So even if you don't freeform completely, if you do a few months, if you have like thinning locks, and you just want to like build the roots stronger, so you don't have to worry about them falling out. Hey, freeform for a few months, then twist the guy. Just twist it after that. Yeah. Look at that bad boy. I'm just looking at my locks now, fascinated. But yeah, that's off the chain, man. So that's it. Just want to share that with you guys, man. Freeforming makes your locks, make your roots thicker, as I said in other videos, and I know there are other people who can attest to the same things. So anyway, that's all I want to share with you. I am JB. Jesus is away. Peace out.